W.
Can you tell Mommy what they are?
C.
Is that a C? Let me see.
Yes, it is a C.
Oh, yes.
W.
W? No.
E.
What is this one here? What's this?
B.
What letter?
F. A.
A. Very good. How about this one?
B.
B. What about this one?
D.
D. This one?
E.
H. Very good. That's this one?
A.
I. Good boy. How about this one?
O.
Oh. What about this one?
Q.
Q. Very good. This one?
U.
U.
Bravo.
Do you know this one?
A.
R. Very good. How about this one? I don't know if you know this one.
G.
J. Yay.
Yes. Yes.
Let me see this one. This?
2.
That's a Z. Well, two.
C.
How about these? This one.
Game's on 4 o'clock today?
Austin.
Whatever. Leafs are on as well. It's 7.